Today we're going to make homemade paint for baby cadence. So let's get started.
It's home style. Home style.
Hi, today I got little kids with me and we're going to do an art project. The only problem is we don't have any paint. So instead of going out to the store to buy some, we're going to make some homemade paint. And it's made out of flour. So this is a perfect recipe for moms if you're worried about things that are toxic. This is a non-toxic recipe, so let's go ahead and get started. You ready to make some paint? Say yes. Yes, I'm going to make some paint. All right, here we go. Paint with flour, food color, and water. And this is going to be fun because it's a non-toxic paint that my baby can use. And we don't have to worry about him putting it in his mouth because he puts a lot of things in his mouth now, huh? Yeah, so Cadence has joined us, so let's get started. All right, so we got our ingredients. We got the flour, and we got water, and food coloring. So we're gonna take 1 heaping tablespoon flour, and we're gonna fill up our containers. So I'm really excited about this. I've made it one time before because I'm a preschool teacher, and it came out really good. And it was extra cool because I was able to make it with the kids. The kids are a lot older than Cadence, so these are good projects to do with young kids, so you guys can do stuff together. So I'm actually going to put a little more than 1 tablespoon because I want a big amount. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of flour. Perfect. Now I'm going to take 2 tablespoons. What are you doing, Cadence? 2 tablespoons of water. And next, I'm going to mix the food color. So I want it to be pretty dark, so I'm going to add a lot. And this is super quick and easy to make. You don't have any paint in the house. This would be something good to kind of to have your own paint. And then I'm just going to give it a good mix. But yeah, this is a great recipe to use for young children, especially babies or toddlers. If they're putting things in their mouth, this is a perfect recipe because we know that these things are safe to consume. Food coloring is safe because it's non-toxic, as well as flour. And I have my son in here with me because he's waiting for this paint so that we can go ahead and do some art projects. You can use this paint for finger painting, or I like to do clean paint with him, which is just putting it in a Ziploc bag over paper and just letting him hit the bag and move it around and touch the paint, but not actually really touch the paint. But as you know, this could be a good paint project for finger painting as well. Just discard what you don't use, just because it can get a little funky after a while of sitting. I mean, you could try to put it in the fridge if you want to save it, but I normally use it all at once. It's already starting to look like paint, and if you want it darker, you can always add more food coloring to get that color that you want. Alright, so blue's all done, and now we're going to go ahead and get the green all mixed. Green is all mixed, and now we're going to move on to yellow. Give that a good mix. Some nice vibrant yellow. And again, it's super quick and easy to make. It takes no more than 5 minutes to mix everything. We want the texture to be nice and smooth. If it's too lumpy, then add a little more water. And if it's too watery, you can add more flour. Alright, Cadence, looks like we're almost done. You ready to do some painting? And we're gonna go ahead and get the paint all set up for baby Cadence to paint. What do you think about that paint? Again, it's like super easy because it's homemade. Here we go. So Candace is doing the paint. It's touching it and feeling it. And it's non-toxic, so if he puts it in his mouth, it's totally okay. And the colors came out pretty vibrant. And the paint washes right off. It doesn't stain the hands. So we have blue, green, and yellow. What do you think? Yeah? Do you like the paint? Yeah. So that concludes our video. Please let me know what you think of the project if you try it at home. You can make as many different colors as you want. You can even try mixing colors. But that concludes our video for today. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment and have a good day. You say bye-bye?